Hello everyone. Well, if you have used or tried to obtain or make a WhatsApp account using a virtual number, then you would have surely come across this error. We couldn't send an SMS to your number. Please check your number and try again in 1 hour. So, in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how we could solve this specific error and successfully make or obtain a WhatsApp account made from a virtual number. So, make sure to watch this video until the end. Do not skip any part of this video as everything which I'm going to tell in this video is going to be helpful for you to make a WhatsApp account using the virtual number in the year 2024. Well, the date which I'm recording this video is going to be uh, 22nd of February 2024. Now, before moving on to the video, uh, welcome everyone. It's me, Suri Prakash from Protech Genius. I'm here to solve all your problems in the technical world, and I'm here to give solutions for everything. Now, what are the things which you need in order to solve this error? One, if you're using a WhatsApp application, then you can just clone this WhatsApp application like this, which I have here. As you can see, this is a WhatsApp clone, which means that I may have other WhatsApp account, but that is a clone and I can have another WhatsApp account in that application. Second, if the WhatsApp clone is not working, you may use another application known as WhatsApp Business over here. Well, WhatsApp Business is actually the same as WhatsApp, but it's for businesses. And it's not necessary that you need a business WhatsApp or a business to use WhatsApp Business, but you can just use it to make WhatsApp accounts using virtual numbers. Number two, the most important thing which you need when you are making a WhatsApp account using a fake WhatsApp number or virtual WhatsApp number is going to be an application which provides you with the number. There are a lot of applications available in the market such as TextNow, Second Line, TextMe, TalkTone, DingTone, NextPlus, FreeTone, TextPlus. But in this video, I'm going to specifically use this application TextPlus. That's because I have a ready-made number in this application and I have previously made a lot of WhatsApp accounts. As you can see, this is going to be the proof for you guys. These are the SMSs which I got from WhatsApp to this number when I made a WhatsApp account using the number. As you can see, this is my number over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this number. It has been copied to my clipboard. I'm going to try to use the number over here. Just remember, there is no guarantee that this number is going to work, but still it's going to be a 50-50 chance. I mean, not even 50-50, but you would have about, I guess, 20% chance of success rate. But do not worry, even if this number is not going to work, you can obtain a lot of numbers using the same method, and at the end you will be able to make WhatsApp account like me. Our final goal is in the end is just going to be to obtain WhatsApp number or WhatsApp account like this, right? Now moving back, let us try with this. Disconnecting. Is not a valid mobile number for the country United States. Well, it's fine. This just means that our number is blocked, as 315 represents New York, and if it just shows to us that this number is not a valid US number, then it means that our account is blocked. But let's say we get an error like this. We couldn't send an SMS to your number. Please check your number and try again. What you can do is that after you get this error, you can just try again after an hour, actually using the same also without actually making any changes to settings or clearing data cache. You can try again in another hour, and even after an hour you get the same error message. What you can do is we can try to actually connect to the VPN servers to the proper designated places. For example, 315 represents New York, so I'm going to choose New York over here. I'm using IP-Vanish VPN. It's a paid VPN, and I do not recommend you guys using the same VPN. I'm just using this VPN because I somehow managed to obtain a premium subscription to this VPN. Let's see, there are a lot of servers. You just connect to one of the servers so that our area code 315 matches with our IP address. So you'd have more chances of success. But just remember, if you're connecting a VPN, you must always make sure to go to the settings and clear your all the previous data. That is, go to storage over here, clear your entire data by clicking over the button here. Just clearing the cache won't help, but clearing entire data will help. Just click on this and click on OK. It will clear entire data. If this is not working, then you can just directly go to the Play Store and you can just try to uninstall and reinstall the application. But just remember, as this is a clone, uninstalling and reinstalling is uh, going to clear our original application. And just delete this clone application and make a clone of the WhatsApp once again. If you want to learn how to clone the application, or if you want to learn how to obtain a number in the Express application, then you can just go watch the videos. There are a few videos in links which are provided in the description and the first comment. Please go take a look at it, as it's going to definitely help you in your technical journey. And like I told, if the WhatsApp clone is not working, then all you have to do is that go clone your WhatsApp business application. If nothing works, at least this WhatsApp business over here would work. That is our only hope. If it's not working, then please shout at me in what step which you're facing there. I'd be glad to help you to make an account. Please feel free to leave your comments in the comment section, and if you have any suggestions, please go to the comment section and leave your suggestions too. Everyone, thanks for watching this video until the end. Well, I got something very important to share together. I think our channel is getting a huge membership update in the year 2024. So now you will be able to find the join button and the subscribe button. So first of all, if you're not a subscribe to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button and the subscribe button. And if you did enjoy watching this video, just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video. And after subscribing to our channel, just take a look at the perks being provided if you become a member of a community. I'm not forcing you to join, but please go take a look at the perks. There are some exclusive perks like one-on-one direct interaction with me via social media, so I can solve all your problems, and member-only exclusive videos where hands-on, method to make WhatsApp or some more videos are available, and all the videos which I post are going to be early. Like, you would have access to all the new videos before a day, so it's definitely going to help you a lot. So guys, it's me Surya Prakash from Protech signing off. Let's meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.